Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and device readiness. Sign into Settings, right arrow your name, and enable iCloud. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS and is on reliable Wi-Fi. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and verify a trusted phone number or device so iMessage and iCloud can sync securely. Now open Settings, right arrow Messages to begin. This is where you turn on iMessage and prepare messages in iCloud, because without those toggles, the sync won't begin. Next, turn on iMessage in Settings, right arrow Messages, and enable messages in iCloud so conversations upload. Make sure your send and receive list includes the phone number and Apple ID emails you want. This ensures messages route to all devices. On a Mac, open Messages, right arrow Preferences, right arrow iMessage, and sign in with the same Apple ID, then check Enable Messages in iCloud. These steps let your history merge across devices. Give the system a few minutes to start uploading and reconciling message threads. Finally, confirm everything by sending a test iMessage and watching it appear on each signed in device. Make sure iCloud has enough storage and your device has free space, because the initial upload can be large. After enabling on all devices, give iCloud time to finish syncing. This can take minutes to hours depending on size. If messages don't appear, try the troubleshooting tip. Sign out of iMessage or iCloud and sign back in. Or toggle messages in iCloud off then on to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.